Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Angstrom WeiLong WR M. As you can see in the cubicle's description of the puzzle on their website, this puzzle is set up with a combination of Lubical Black, Angstrom Dignitas, Angstrom Gravitas, and DNM 37. Of course, if you didn't already know, this is basically a WeiLong GTS 3M but without ridges, hence the WR in the name. So this is my first Angstrom puzzle, but I do own some Cubicle Labs and Pro Shop puzzles. Looks like we have a bunch of different hardware, as well as the tensioning tools and the spring compression tools. We also have a clear cubicle stand. Alright, let's just get into the puzzle. There is a little bit of lube and grease on the outside of the puzzle, but it's not that bad. Alright, let's just get into first turns. So right out of the box, this cube is actually pretty slow, and as you can see, there is a lot of lube in there. And I'm pretty sure it's not coating. But yeah, with some break-in, this should be pretty good. It has a very smooth feeling. And right now the magnets aren't that noticeable, but I'm sure that's just because of this huge amount of lube in here. So this cube is actually 55.5 millimeters on each side, which is slightly smaller than my previous main, the MF3RS 3M, or my current one. And as you can see, it's a very small difference, and it's barely noticeable while solving. Out of the box, it's pretty loose. Just check corner cutting. Definitely way over 45. And reverse. Okay. Pretty much line to line. As you can see, there's a lot of Lubical Black in here, but this tool is the spring compression tool, as most of you probably already know, and it can be used to turn this notch, and there's 9 different settings to change the compression of the springs. So just out of the box, this cube is pretty slow and gummy due to the lube that's been applied, but I'm certain that will most likely break in and go away over time. But yeah, this cube is a great puzzle, and I'm pretty sure that'll become my main once it speeds up. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.